C. Mr. Kalaya Yadaya Garu, MLA Chevilla, Mr. Bhusani Manohar Reddy Garu, MLA Tandur, Patnam Mahendra Reddy Garu, MLC and Chief Whip, Ladies and gentlemen, a warm round of applause for all our esteemed dignitaries. We would like to express our heartfelt gratitude to the Government of Telangana and all the esteemed officials we have with us today for their unwavering support, their visionary leadership, and their guidance, which have been instrumental in making this project a reality. It is now my pleasure to introduce Mr. Surinder Pal Singh, Chairman of Premier Energies. He is the man who foresaw the future of solar energy and has his dream realized today. His contagious enthusiasm takes us all by surprise. I would now like to request our Chairman, sir, to come forward and deliver his welcome address. Over to you, sir.
Honorable Chief Minister Revant Reddy Garu, Honorable Minister of IT and Industry, Sri Sridhar Babu Garu, MLA of the area, MLC of the area, senior officials from Government of Telangana, Board of Directors of Premier, family and friends. It's indeed a rare privilege for me to welcome our Chief Minister to the inauguration of this unit. We had a very humble beginning in 1995, and over a period, we have grown to this stature today. We had our share of teething troubles initially when we started with solar lanterns and solar street light, slowly graduated to the modules and cell. I'm happy to share with you that today, with today's inauguration, we have a capacity of 11.1 gigawatt of module line in Telangana, 3.5 gigawatt of solar cell line, including the latest technology of TOPCon, again in Telangana. And very shortly, we are commissioning an additional 7.1 gigawatt of TOPCon cell line. With that, we would be an integrated of 10 gigawatt of cell and 10 gigawatt of module line. We have also planned for backward integration. We are setting up 10 gigawatt of ingot and 10 gigawatt of wafer line very shortly. By that, we would be a fully integrated ingot, wafer, cell and module line in the country. This would help us in reducing our imports from China and other countries and make India self-dependent. We have also laid the foundation today, groundbreaking ceremony for two more projects coming at this same place. One is the battery energy storage system, and the second one is aluminum extrusion, which will be a backward integration. We assure you so that within less than 1 year, we would have both these projects up and coming at this very sort, and we will again come back to you and request you for the inauguration of these two plants also. Sir, today, with your hands, we have launched another new project, which is algae tree. This is a tree, liquid tree it is called, which will develop oxygen and consume carbon dioxide. A 100-liter liquid tree will be equivalent to 4 fully grown trees. We in the company have decided to contribute 100 such trees valued at 1.5 crores to Government of Telangana with the collaboration of Pollution Control and Forest Department. We would see that all these trees are installed in Telangana itself. During the course of our journey, we had executed some remarkable projects. I would like to share at least few of them with you. We had electrified over 500 remote, non-accessible villages, tandas and hamlets, more of them tribal, in the states of Telangana, Andhra, Madhya Pradesh and UP. These were the villages where they had not seen the electricity, and at that point of time, it was not economical to provide them because some of them were on hilltops, on the lake beds. We had to cross the lakes and go and install. And this effort of ours was recognized at the international level as an international project by Renewable Energy World USA. We also had a unique privilege of installing 1.6 megawatt of solar power plant, integrated plant, which was with solar, battery and generator in Kalinga, Uganda. This plant till today is serving the entire power needs of this Kalangana island in Victoria Lake. The president of Uganda was kind enough to inaugurate this project in Kampala. Sir, we also have installed 1 megawatt of canal top solar power plant in Uttarakhand. This also is unique in the sense that A, it was 40 meters wide. 2, we did not touch the water to install the plant. All the modules are placed, they are hanging on ropes and they are generating power. Very recently, we did a project in Sri Lanka. This was an aid from Government of India to Government of Sri Lanka. We have installed 5,000 solar home lighting systems in various temples in country of Sri Lanka. This project again was dedicated to Sri Lanka by Sri Narendra Modi ji, the Prime Minister of India. While we enjoy the rights and privileges of the society, we are also conscious of the fact that we should give back something to the society. Premier Energy has helped establish Epilepsy Center with almost 2.1 crore of assistance at NIMS Hospital, Hyderabad. We have established a retina surgery center at Alliance Hospital, Secunderabad, and numerous other projects. We are very actively associated with Last Mile Trust. We are very closely associated with Thalassemia Society, and throughout the year, we have been undertaking some projects or the other. I would like to take this opportunity to thank the Chief Minister, the Government of Telangana, for all the help they have been giving us for establishing, expanding our units in the state of Telangana. This unit, from scratch till today, has been completed in just about 1 year, and that was possible by the efforts of our employees, our staff, engineers, and the unstated support of Government of Telangana. Thank you very much once again.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, Chairman Sir, for your inspiring words. I'd now like to introduce the engineering architect behind this new facility, Mr. Sudhir Reddy, Director at Premier Energies. He is a visionary with a solar soul. Please welcome Mr. Sudhir Reddy as he speaks about our journey of growth.
గౌరవ ముఖ్యమంత్రులు, మన ప్రియతమ నాయకులు రేవంత్ రెడ్డి గారికి, మన పారిశ్రామిక అండ్ ఐటీ శాఖ మార్చులు శ్రీ దుద్దిల శ్రీధర్ బాబు గారికి, మన ఎమ్మెల్సీ అండ్ చీఫ్ విప్ మహేందర్ రెడ్డి గారికి, మన స్థానిక ఎమ్మెల్యే కాళ యాదయ్య గారికి, మరి పేరు పేరున పెద్దలకి అందరికీ నమస్కారం. ఈ ప్లాంట్ ఇక్కడ సీతారాంపూర్లో స్థాపించబడడానికి చాలామంది తోడ్పడ్డారు. దాంట్లో ముఖ్యంగా ఈరోజు ఒక ఇనాగరేషన్ రోజు మనం గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలి ఎవరెవరు తోడ్పడ్డారు ఇంత మంచి ప్లాన్ చేయనిక. దాంట్లో ఫస్ట్ వస్తారు మన సీతారాంపూర్ గ్రామస్తులు, ఎందుకంటే వాళ్ళ ల్యాండ్ ఇచ్చిండ్రు, వాళ్ళ ల్యాండ్లో మనం పెట్టినాం. సో వాళ్ళని ఎప్పుడైనా గుర్తించడము మనం ఫస్ట్ మన ధర్మం అది. దాని తర్వాత వస్తారు మన గవర్నమెంట్ సిబ్బంది, టీజీఐసి డిపార్ట్మెంట్ మనకు ఫస్ట్ ల్యాండ్ ఇచ్చి మనకు చాలా తోడ్పడ్డారు. టీజీఎస్పీడీసీఎల్ డిపార్ట్మెంట్ మనకు పవర్ కనెక్షన్ ఇచ్చారు. ఇరిగేషన్ డిపార్ట్మెంట్ మన వాటర్ కోసము, పీసీ